Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today is 19th of December 2017 and I will be analyzing Nifty 50. First see the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is entirely for educational purpose and any trade that you wish to take upon based on the suggestions made here is entirely your responsibility and I can't be held legally responsible for it. So to the charts, let me enlarge this. Okay. Looks like there is a problem in investing website. I believe you can see it, so I will continue from here. I will zoom in to the area where I am focusing so that you can have a better look. So what a day of emotions we had yesterday. We knew that a news is going to come, a final declaration of results of Gujarat election is going to come, and we opened here and we quickly went down to this level in seconds, and that's what happens. And that's the reason in my last video I told that I'm not carrying my long positions uh, in Nifty. What I have been doing is I have been playing safe on Friday. I shorted 9,900 PE. So actually that was a long position, but that was a very safe bet because I knew that 10,000 is something which is very safe support and that would not be breached. We are in bull market, but expecting that we will have a day of high volatility, of high movement. I wanted to play safe. Also in that video I told that during the day as we progress we will get better chance of entry, and we can reap benefits and good profits during the day itself. And that's what happened here when market opened and it went down like anything. It feel like there is a big there is a very high amount of gravitational pull. It plummeted like anything, so it came down, and I believe many new traders would panic at this level. They would have exited their position and incurring a very heavy loss. And this is something that we have to understand, that when we are anticipating a news, a big news, not a normal news, especially whenever a political news is going to come, then we should definitely be very careful on that. If we are trading that news, we can always trade that news, but then let the market settle. If you have already decided that market is going to go up, that's what happened. It went down very fast, and most of the traders, I mean, there was one trader who called me. I don't prefer calls during trading or during my personal life, but still I get calls. One trader called me and he told that okay, he is in loss of 1 lakh when market opened, when market came around here. Then I told probably buying will come and just hold on. After 5 minutes, he called me again saying that now his loss has increased to 1,25,000. Now what to do? See, I said that I don't give guarantees that market is going to go up from this level, but as I see the charts, probably this is the place where it is going to again start a new rally. And after some time, few minutes, maybe mm, around 20-30 minutes, he called me back again saying that I'm in profit of now 1 lakh. Now what to do, you know so I just said just book it, don't think much. And that's what happened, guys. When you are in a loss of 1 lakh or whatever amount you can set to, if you are in a loss of let's say 50,000, which is a big amount to lose. If you are losing that much amount, you panic, and in the panic mode, and if you see that it is increasing 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, you will exit at some point of time. And that's what all these news channels are doing. We are knowing that in Gujarat elections, this BJP is going to win, but still, media show that okay, Congress is ahead, Congress is ahead. That's what I want to say, you guys. If you are too concerned, if you are too much uh, following the news in such a way that you start to trade it, no, you that becomes your one of the trading strategies, that whenever news come and you trade in particular way, that is something wrong. Media is always there to cheat you. It's not going to make money for you. It's media is will make money for the big players. We already see that there is a polarization in the media. Some media will support BJP, some media will support Congress. And what do you think? Those big players will make you will let you make will let you make money? This is not going to happen. They are showing the news in such a way that you start thinking in some particular way, and you trade in that mode, and then you incur losses. So this is very important, guys. Yes, listen to the news. This is important. We know that Gujarat election is there. We know that the results are going to come, and these it's good to be informed. But then, how to use that news is very important. So if you would have bought here at this level and then just sit there and you see that what rally had ensued, you would have really made a very good profit. So, but normally this is the place where people will exit, and then after just few minutes, say 30 minutes or 1 hour, they realize that what a mistake they have done. And this is what happens. That's why we lose money, because we are not able to control our emotions. On Friday, if you were long with heavy quantity, that only means you were greedy. It means that you want to we know that in Gujarat election BJP is going to win. It's a very positive news, and you want to reap the benefit of that. So you were long, you were knowing that that means market will go up. And that is the place where media will play its part, where big players will play its part. They know that now most of the retailers are long, and that's what happened. Whenever we see a shadow like this is what I call a stop loss candle. A lot of stop loss would have triggered, and in fact not a stop loss, this simply will take away position. To many it can happen that if you were having 100% capital in your positions, that means your trading platform itself will square off position, because you would not have enough margin, because after few minutes of a start your position will be too much negative. So that's what happened. And that's why, guys, be safe. You have to, instead of thinking a lot about profits, you have to first see how do you protect your capital. This is very important, and unless you master it, this all analysis will not come into play. I have already made a video on a topic saying that analysts are different and traders are different. And we as retail traders, we are both. We are analyzing the charts also, and we are trading also. And the qualities what make a trader and what makes a good analyst, they are different. And if we have to master both, then we have to put quite a effort. So I will put the link to that video also in the description so that you can watch. Uh, so this point is very important, guys. Unless you understand that whatever analysis I gave, whatever I gave here is not that much material. So let's see what will happen in the market in coming days. So if I draw few trend lines here, I will make it thicker so that it will be easier for you to see. Then it is not enlarging, that's why I have a problem. But then yeah, let's see. I think there is a problem today, so it will they will rectify it anyway. And so you see, guys, this was a perfect place of resistance, and that's why we were not able to close above it. I see currently, what I think is currently our upside. Uh, we definitely are in bull market, but currently we might go in some sideways movement unless we have a good gap up, or let's say a good rally, which I don't see coming. If we don't have a follow through of yesterday's rally, then it looks that we will go in the sideways market. So today is also very important. If we don't see a rally today, probably we will follow a sideways in coming days to come. So this was a place where we closed, and we might go into this range basically. So we might oscillate here a bit. This trend line will be a resistance now, and this is again, so where and if I see the range, it will be widely around 10,500 to 10,200. We will see that 10,400 will be taken, and then again it will withdraw from 10,400, again it will be taken, and again, and we will see that 10,300 will also be breached, and it will come down, and again it will come out. So what I expect is some oscillations in the movement, uh, in nifty movement, and we see here that we opened actually at 20-day EMA. So it can happen here. So basically, if I see a converging point here, let me, I believe this will be the widely range. So 10,200 and 10,500 will be the range where we will be heading. And this line, if this line is not breached, yeah, that's fine. This is something that we have to check. So 10,270 is very critical, and I believe this will be taken, this will be breached, but then again we will jump back if at all this is breached. So this is what currently we will be seeing in the market. We have next big thing which is coming is budget, and we should start preparing for that. Maybe those stocks which do rally during budget hours, this is something that we can have a look, and whenever they are having a dip from now, we can buy them. So one of the few sectors is railways, other is chini stocks, sugar stocks. So these are few things that will that I see that they do rally during the budget hours. Also during about banks will be volatile during budget hours. So this is something that we have to check. And since we Modi needs to win 2019 elections, so he will give certain benefits, he will give certain relaxations in almost to businessmen also, and to service class also. So I think this is going to be a very good budget. So a lot of positives might ensue, and so our market will also follow it. So that's it for now. If you have any further queries, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. And also, if you have any stocks in your mind, which or any sector which can benefit from the budget and all, then do write in the comment section, and so that we can have a look on that. So that's it for now. Bye.